I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have my very favorite subscription box, Vine-O. So if you have not seen my other Vine-O unboxings, this is a seasonal box. So this one right here is the fall box. Each box is $59.99. But I do have a discount code for you. Plus, the link that I have will lead you to a special page, which gets you not only $10 off, but a free bottle of wine and a free stemless wine glass that says something cute, I can't remember. So I will leave the details and all of the information for that in the description box, and that is for new subscribers only, so just for you few folk who have not yet gotten yourself a Vine-O. This would make the world's best gift, and it's just a wonderful thing to have for yourself as well because there's wine in it as well as other pampering gifts, and I have loved every single box I've ever gotten, and the wine is always good and wonderful. So let's just open it up and see what's in the fall box. Let's see if I can get this out. Oh jeez. Okay, so I have the goodies box right here, which we will go through in just a moment. Because first things first, we gotta get the wine out. All right, here we have New Crush Santa Ynez Valley Riesling. And then this is the Mad Love Zinfandel. Very nice. Oh, I'm super excited about both of those. Now with this box, you can either say, please send me a white and a red, like what I have, or 2 whites or 2 reds, depending on your wine preference. There's no difference in price or anything. And oftentimes, because they do send me these boxes early, these boxes won't actually start shipping until September 17th. Right now they're just doing the pre-sale. They send me different wines, so you may get different wines in your box, but all of their wines are fun and fantastic, so not to worry. Okay, let's see what the goodies are. Okay, this is the O for Me box. How cute. Okay, and I have my little things, but let's just go through it. Is this like a, what do you call these? Like a beer cozy? A drink cozy, I guess. Doesn't have to be beer. Let's see, I'm gonna pull this out and then we will read about it. Be happy, that's cute. With the little flowers, you know, I do not own one of these and I probably should. Let's see. Brownlow drink sleeve, $6. So I guess there's 2 different patterns that you might get. And they also have a little discount offer on here if you want to get more of these. That's cute. That's so fun. I've never owned one of these. I'm really excited about that. Okay, oh, I see some Dutch House gluten-free caramels. Oh my gosh, these look fantastic. Look at these. Don't you just want to eat all of those right meow? Oh, and they're soft. I can squish them. Oh, I'm gonna eat those. Oh, so good. Okay, what is this? Sorry, get really excited about the sweets. Trapp fragrances, orange vanilla. Oh, it's a candle. This is the cutest little box. Look at this. Let's see. So we've got this little like, that's adorable. How cute. I love it. Oh, that smells good. That smells really good. It smells like a creamsicle, like you would expect, but there's a little bit more of like a grown-upness about it, you know? Maybe it's not so sweet, a little more musky or something, but just a tad. Oh gosh, that smells so good. And that's a pretty color too. That's so great for fall, right? Right? Oh, I'm really excited about that candle. And this box, how cute. I'm gonna have to keep this and find something to do with that. Mixture Bath and Body Bamboo Exfoliating Sugar Balm. Oh, that's interesting. I've had stuff from Mixture before. I can't remember why or when or where or what it was. I just know that name. Oh, that smells good. Now that's got definitely more of a musky, wonderful scent to it. Oh, that smells really good. And it's a sugar scrub. I love it. And then A Day in the Life. Oh, it's like a weekly, what do you call this? Not a calendar, a planner. A Day in the Life planner. That's nice and big, and I like the style of it and everything. Very cute, very cute. You know what's funny is I just, I'd gotten a similar one. It's smaller though, in a different box, and I just pulled it out today to start using because my kids started school today. So I figured while they're both at school now, I will have all of this extra time to myself to actually get work done. So I'm gonna try to be organized about it. So I thought that I would start using my day in the life planner. I like that it's nice and big and you have lots of room to, you know, put stuff in, and you've got Saturday and Sunday. Anyway, this is nice. Plus I love the stripes. Super duper cute. Well, that's a fun box. I'm so excited about these caramels. I'm gonna use this right now. I'm gonna go have a LaCroix in my little thing. This is so cute. I love it. I'm telling you guys, this is my favorite box. Okay, well, another fantastic box from Vine O. I'm obsessed with this little box. What can I use this for? Give me your ideas. What should I use this little box for? It looks like a little birdhouse or something. It's so cute. Okay, well, don't forget to check out the description box, and if you have not yet signed up for Vine O, make sure you use my link to do so that you get the extra goodies. You get an extra bottle of wine and a stemless wine glass. I want the stemless wine glass. How come I didn't get a stemless wine glass? And I am excited about these wines. Definitely follow me on Instagram. I always post when I do eventually drink my wine. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.